Good Wednesday, everyone. This is meteorologist Dave Snyder at the National Weather Service with Alaska's statewide weather. Low pressure out over the central and western Gulf is expanding northward across southwestern Alaska. The wind's coming up a little bit there, but more than anything else, clouds are spreading northward. And we'll see a much better chance for rainfall across the south and western coast, Kodiak Island, going into the next several days. In the meantime, across the Arctic coast, light snows falling there on the south side of high pressure at 1,025 millibars, a trough of low pressure, encouraging a little more wind across the central and eastern Beaufort Seacoast this afternoon. The trough hanging right over the Brooks Range, and just south of that, a lot more sunshine is seen across the Yukon Valley, where conditions continue to be mostly frozen, according to the Alaska Pacific River Forecast Center. In those areas, breakup continues to be a mush-out for most regions there. Don't have any flood advisories, watches, or warnings to post, but for areas from about Fairbanks, Tanana eastward, it's at least some open. Many areas are mostly open, and areas around the Chena are entirely open at this point. As we look around the Kuskokwim Valley, we see similar conditions there, at least mostly open to completely open waterways all the way from Kuskokwim Bay into the interior in the upper Kuskokwim Valley around McGrath. For many on the North Slope, breakup will be a little bit slower right now. Mostly ice is being reported across all North Slope Valley communities. As we head into Thursday, watch for increasing chances for rain with mild weather continuing across south central and southwestern Alaska. It will mainly be light rain, but for southeast, high pressure will continue to protect most of the archipelago with a clear and dry sky. Warmer air is lifting northward through the central and eastern Gulf. A weak area of low pressure will encourage a better chance for wetter weather as we get into Friday afternoon. There'll be more clouds than anything else for the North Slope and the Brooks Range. Kotzebue Sound could see a few snow showers, but most areas to the south, including Nome, will be warm enough for rainfall as we get into Thursday afternoon. By Friday, low pressure moving into the Gulf of Anadyr will show signs of colder weather traveling into the north and western Bering. However, a ridge of high pressure will keep things fairly quiet and winds fairly calm across a good chunk of the Bering Sea, and that means the ice will be drifting mainly on ocean currents rather than wind currents as we head into the weekend. Low pressure south of the central and western Aleutians at 998 millibars will focus a little more of a breeze across the central and western chain. Look for rain showers to continue there, with a better chance for rain moving through Prince William Sound and south central as we head into Friday night and Saturday. With Alaska statewide weather, this is meteorologist Dave Snyder.